It is a 32 inches. So as you can see in the display,
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care.
so today we are gonna be unboxing.
Like the scars aren't even there.
So unboxing this.
Blazing flare, just stare 'cause the flames will burn us.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be unboxing our. We actually have this new 2 LG monitor, and this is not mine, by the way. So we're just gonna be sitting up together. So let's do it. Oh my god! It is a 32 inches, just like our Samsung. So we will see. Yeah. We are just gonna unbox the first one, and then here, let's put it here. So of course this one comes, so this is the cable, this is the HDMI that comes with it, and oh boy, and here is the owner's manual. We have it, but we actually don't need it. And there's for the screw to connect them. So here is the one that, so this one is gonna be the fit, I don't know this one. So okay, well, I'll show that to you later on. Which one do you? Well, this is not a curved one. It's just a normal screen. Oh, I think I prefer the Samsung that we did unbox before, but here it is. It's more thicker than the Samsung that we had before, like for our gaming one. And this is for work, so it doesn't matter. And I'm gonna be showing you how I set it up. We get 2 screens, guys, so we're just gonna set it up together right away. And disclaimer, this is not mine, this is just for work. And we found this. We are gonna put this thing here just to protect our screen, so we won't scratch or drop it. So we will put the stand right now, and we will set up our screen. Yep. Yep. Lock. here. Okay. Keyboard is ugly, but it's okay. We don't play games here anyway. We have everything set up already. I hope you like it, and please let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment as well. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, and I'll hope to see you again next time. Mwah!